Coming into Ancestry, I expected people to have a heavy emphasis on the past because of its natural focus on history. One thing that I was surprised by was the focus on the future.
Ancestry has deep roots in innovation going back 40 years. And that is really instilled in employees' minds that we have to keep pace with innovation. And we do that by empowering teams to innovate on their own.
Something unique about Ancestry's culture is how deeply personal the work can be and how meaningful it can be. Just because you can relate to it personally makes it extremely impactful.
Passion and the mission of the company is of the utmost importance to everybody that works here.
Our people are here to do the right thing for our customers, and they're passionate about it. So when you put a bunch of those people together, there's some really good stuff that happens.
If you want to work with cutting-edge technology, this is the place. If you want to work with a product that really changes people's life, this is the place. If you want to work in a place that cares about you as a person, this is the place.